Edwin here from Resolutions Design, coming back at you again with another video. If you guys are brand new to the channel, I am an agency owner for one of the top ones for Shopify experts. Purpose of this video is for you to learn, how to do things yourself without hiring an expert. Okay, in this video, you are going to learn how to create what's called a page of collections. Not a collections page, no, a page of collections. There's a difference between a collections page and a page of collections. Let me explain. All right, so let's pretend for a second that you go here and you are here, and then you go here, and then you go here. This is a collections page, a page that shows different products. Okay, a page that shows different products, right? A page of collection is a page that shows different collections rather than actual products. Okay, so again, I'm going to say this again. A collections page is a page of a collection that shows different products. A page of collections is a page that shows different collections. So rather than seeing collections up top here on the menu, a page of collections sometimes is when a user clicks on shop and they get to see in boxes the different collections. The reason of this video is because you guys put it up in the comments saying, I would love to learn how to do this. And I listen to those comments, I write back and I say, I got you. And for that reason, all I ask is for a like. Smash that like button real hard, make it turn blue, do all that type of stuff, and subscribe. I post videos, tips, and tricks on how you can improve your website. Let's get to it right away. Let's go. First of all, in this video, the page of collection, the way that I'm showing you how to do this is using the Turbo theme. Once again, I am praising Turbo 1000% because you don't have to spend money on apps to do a whole bunch of cool tricks. And when you don't have to spend extra money, the value of the theme goes even further. All right, so check out on the link. A lot of these trainings have to do with Turbo because Turbo just does so much. That's why I'm making this video. Okay, so again, link at the bottom. Turbo, that's the theme that I'm using in order to do this example. All right, so first we're going to go ahead into home. What are we going to start off with? We are trying to sell, let's go here to where it says collections. We're trying to sell different mugs, right? Different essentials. So right here, I'm selling coffee capsules, you know, those coffee capsules for the Nespressos and all that stuff. And then you got the coffee cups, and then you got the coffee mugs. So I'm selling like different types of coffee essentials. And I want to create a page where it shows coffee mugs, coffee capsules, and coffee cups as a selection so that people could choose which one of the three would they want to dive deeper to learn more about the products. That's what I'm trying to do. And the first step that I'm going to do in order to make this happen is I'm going to create yet another collection. We'll start right here. Create a collection. This is going to be a manual collection, okay? And then right here, I'm going to call it all coffee essentials. Okay, I'm going to call it all coffee essentials. You could call it all collections, you could call it whatever you want, but people need to understand where they're going to. So that's why I typed that up right there. And again, because I'm using Turbo, guys, warning, if you're using another theme, this is not going to work. So please, if you get frustrated and you're saying, hey, this is not working for me, it's because I'm using the Turbo theme. Let me be more specific. I go to out of the sandbox, right? Again, link on the bio below, okay? So the theme that I'm using is this guy right here, okay? I'm going to provide a lot of tips on using the power of this theme. It's very, very popular, very clean, all that good stuff, okay? So using the Turbo theme, I'm going to go right here where it says collection template, right here. And I'm going to click on sub collection. Collection.subcollection template. Save. Okay, that's the first step. All right, so remember, step number 1, to create a collection called all something, all collections, all something. It's just going to be called all something. I called it all coffee essentials. Okay, that's step number one. Step number two, let's go to online stores. And we're going to go right here where it says navigation. All right, I've already created this other stuff. All right, if you guys want to learn how to do menus and all that stuff, I have that in another video. Okay, I'm going to create a new menu right here. Add a new menu. I'm going to call it the exact same thing as I called it before on the collections. And you know what? I'm going to take a step back because I have a feeling that some of you watching on the comments are going to mess up on this one part right here. So I'm going to make this bulletproof, okay? I'm not going to type that in. Why? Because of a thing called human error, okay? Going back to collections, and I'm going to go to all coffee essentials here, and I'm going to hover over this, and I'm going to right click and press copy. Human error. Why human error? Because what I type right here, I typed in all coffee essentials, plural, and the next thing you know, I'll go ahead and I'll forget the S, right? So that's why I rather just not even rely on it. Let's just right click copy. Go right here where it says online store, go to navigation, click on where it says add menu, and then right here, paste. No human error, okay? And then from here, let's go ahead and add those collections. Here we go. So from there, I'm not going to type this up. I'm going to click on link, click on collections. Here's one of them. Boom. That's one. Let's go. Number two, we don't got time to waste. Collections. We're going to go right here. Boom. Second one. Let's continue because we got other things to do. All right, here. Collections. Let's go to mugs. Bow. Okay, so once we're here, let's go ahead and just kind of organize this. I think I want mugs first, capsule second, cups third, save. Okay, save. Once you press save, let's go back to our collections for a second. Let's go to collections here, and let's see how this looks like. I go inside the collections, and I click on this button called View. And there it is, folks. There's that page that we're looking for. We're looking for a page that gives us coffee mugs, coffee capsules, coffee cups. Okay? So, where'd those pictures come from? Right? By default, Turbo, what they do is that they grab the first picture of the first product and place it here. Okay? If you do not like the picture that's illustrating on these areas here, what you do is that you have to manipulate the collection picture. Okay, what do I mean by that? What I mean is that you go back over here to the actual collections itself, and you see right here that there's thumbnails. What if I click on this thumbnail right here, right? Coffee mugs. You don't like that picture? Not even the first one. Wow, it took like the last one right here. You go right here where it says add image, and you manipulate that image yourself. You click on add image, press save, and that picture will update for you. Okay, that's how you manipulate that. Okay, all right, so we're almost done because we actually have the page of collection. It's just that where do we want it to show up? Well, there's several places where we could make this show up. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I am going to triple click on the URL right here because I don't want to lose that and press copy. That's the first thing I want to do. Okay, now let's get out of here. From there, I'm going to set this up in several areas. I'm going to go right here to where it says navigation, and I'm going to my main menu. I'm going to edit shop. Why is that? Well, because when I go to the website for the first time, some people, when they hover over the actual main menu and see the submenus, they sometimes click on this one, the highest menu here. Okay? So although you have all of those submenus there, they might want to just kind of like click on this and visually see the page of collections. So that being said, that's why I'm here in the main menu, and I'm going to click on this right here, okay? And I already did that as you saw that, and boom, I'm going to put that there, and I'm going to say apply changes, save menu, okay? And I'm going to go back over here to the front end of the store, and I'm going to press refresh. Press refresh right there so that anything I did on the back end gets copied to the front end. Here I go and I click on right there, and boom, the page of collections. That's number one. Number two, let's see here. Number two, if I go to online store and I go here to customize the theme, right? I go to the theme editor, and here I could select where I also want for it to go. And maybe this right here where it says shop, let's go ahead and change this value of the pill. So in this section right here, Coffee Lovers Haven, right there, I get to manipulate this banner. And I scroll down here, and I see that the first button label is called shop. Too generic. So why don't we make it Discover Essentials, right? And the link, that link right there. Press save. Okay, we want to make it more than one location, right guys? So we let this blue bar or teal or whatever this color is, greenish, do its thing. We go over here, we press the eyeball, and we click on this button right there, and it takes them to the destination. For that which, when they click on that, it takes them to the collections page. You see how that works, guys? That's it. That's how it's done. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this type of content, let me know in the comments. Let me know what you want to learn. Again, the reason why I made this video is only because you guys posted this question on the comments. I love to create videos that my fans want to learn of. Let me know, and I got you. Okay? The only thing I ask for you is patience. That's why I say hit that notification bell so that every time one of my video comes out, you'll be the first one to know right away. Say, oh, okay, Edwin made another video. Let me check this out to see how I can improve my store, tips and tricks, or yeah, I already know that one. I'll just wait until the next one, okay? Awesome, guys. You guys take it easy. Be safe.